everyone, how are you guys doing? I am back with a new video. Also, those who don't know me, hi, this is Sharvari Patil and this is my YouTube channel. So go hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also press the bell icon so that you guys would get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm back with yet another video, and today I'll be taking you guys throughout one of my photo shoot that I did recently, and I hope you enjoy that. So before starting up with the shoot, I just want to quickly tell you guys that with shoots that I do daily or on alternate days, I apply a lot of makeup products on my face and a lot of hair heating products, because of which there has been a lot of damage to my hair and a lot of breakouts on my face. So I am really thankful for Oziva for sending me their beautiful range of plant-based products. Just quickly want to introduce to all the products that Oziva sent me. So the first one here is the Naturella Infusion Hair Mask. Then they sent me their Phyto Cleanse Anti-Acne Face Mask. Then they send me their Phyto Cleanse Anti-Acne Face Wash and the Phyto Cleanse Anti-Acne Face Serum. And I am absolutely in love with these products, and I'll be telling you a lot more about them. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So as I mentioned, because of a lot of shoots daily and because of using hair heating products, my hair did feel damaged. So I switched to the Natural Infusion Hair Mask by Oziva. So guys, this hair mask is a blend of 11 highly effective plant-based ingredients. It is beneficial for both dry and frizzy hairs, and it also improves the health of your scalp. It also helps in strengthening your hair by moisturizing and nourishing them.
This is a deep conditioning hair mask that adds moisture, shine, and strength to your hair by reducing frizz, breakage, and damage. It also helps to increase hydration of your hair, which helps in improving your hair texture. This hair mask is vegan and free from all the harmful chemicals. It helps in cleansing your scalp with methyl salicylate present in tear flowers extract and improves hair growth with cedarwood oil. Now coming towards the application part, it is best for all the hair types, especially dry and frizzy hair. So scoop out some of the hair mask into your palm and apply it generously to your hair and your scalp. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with sulfate free shampoo. Use it 1 to 2 times a week for 8 weeks for better results.
So now that we are done with the shoot, you guys, I just quickly want to show you my makeup removal routine. So I'm just gonna remove my makeup today in front of camera. So I'll be using these products, and this is the Phyto Cleanse range by Oziva. So the first product that I'll be using is the Phyto Cleanse face wash. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So this face wash has all the plant-based goodness, and it also helps in battling against acne. It also prevents breakouts and it maintains your skin pH balance. Also, it purifies your skin. One of the best part about this product, it is do not block pores, as it helps in dissolving dead skins, and it also helps in fighting against acne and acne scars.
This face wash has cinnamon and honey extract, neem extract, bergamot oil to open pores. It helps in reducing acne and also prevents from new one to occur. It also fights blackheads and reduces inflammation. This face wash has skin purifying abilities and helps in protecting the skin from any kind of damage. Now for the application part, just take a small amount of it on your wet palm and then work it up into a rich lather. Massage it into your face gently in circular motion. Try avoiding your eyes and then just rinse it off thoroughly. Oziva products are all plant based and it is clinically tested. It has no sulfate, no heavy metals, no parabens, no bisphenols. It has set a benchmark of purity when it comes to nutrition as well as beauty.
So the next product that I'll be talking about is the PhytoCleanse face mask. Now this product helps in reducing breakouts, acne, it helps in reducing acne scars, it also helps in reducing blackheads, whiteheads, and it also purifies your skin. The plant-based ingredients in it helps in deep cleansing action and antioxidant properties. So this product is perfect for acne prone skin as it helps in controlling the oil levels, which helps in preventing the further breakouts.
So this face mask has super powerful ingredients like honey extract, neem extract, bergamot essential oils, and that helps in anti-acne treatment. It also helps in diminishing the pore size, removes blackheads and whiteheads while fading acne marks with help of multani mitti. Also, you guys, Oziva anti-acne face pack is vegan and is free from all the harmful chemicals like sulfate, paraben, dyes, and fragrances. Now, coming to the application part, it is perfect for all the skin types, especially combination and oily acne prone skin. Apply this face pack evenly over your face and your neck areas and just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This face mask reduces the amount of oil secreted by sebaceous glands with kaolin clay. And that's it. Just rinse it thoroughly with water after 10 to 15 minutes.
So last but not the least, it is really important to have a good face serum. So I have been using this face serum by Oziva, which is the PhytoCleanse Anti-Acne Face Serum. It's a plant-based potion that fights acne. So this serum is very gentle on your skin. It helps in reducing the inflammation and it also helps in building and strengthening your skin barrier. So this is a mineral free oil and it is a non-pore blocking serum and it helps in fighting against acne and it also helps in lightening your acne scars.
Now this serum has neem extract, cyclocinnamon extract. It also has bergamot oil to fight acne and helps in sebum control. It also has phytoniacinamide, aloe extract, calendula extract, tea tree oil that helps in healing our skin. Now coming to the application part, take 3 to 4 drops of serum, gently pat into your cleansed skin and wait till it fully absorbs in your skin. Use it twice daily for 8
If
weeks.
you guys like this video, then don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel to share my videos. All the products that I used in this video are given below in the description box. So make sure you check the description box so you can buy them. And yeah, pretty much it. I think I'll just end the video here and take care. Bye bye. See you soon.